Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. If you want to see what makeup look I'm wearing, I'll put a link up. I've just done the video and I told you I'd be doing this as well. I'm going to just tuck them up for you today so you've got plenty to watch, and I hope if you're bored it keeps you entertained. I've got 3 parcels that all came to me Zoom Zone box. I love having a Zoom Zone box. There it is, look. Isn't that exciting? So these are PR. These are PR. These are not of people off the internet. Well, they are really, but I'm really excited. Let's go. So these have already sent to us before. Good Molecules. I've got Good Molecule stuff and I love them. In the video that I did for this, it went a bit skew with, but it is on my iPhone and I'm going to see if I can edit and I'll get it up for you. First of all, we're going to open the big box. Actually, we're going to keep this to last. Now this is the one. This is the one. It's a beauty bar and she lives in Wallsend, I think. She's in Wallsend. She's called Mandy. And I don't know what's in here. And I haven't brought my scissors. You'd think I'd learn, wouldn't you? What have we got to open? We're going to use that. And I promise I won't stab myself. We'll get this open because it's a big box. We'll get through it. Oh, it's full. It's full. It's full. So I'm just going to open it up here. This is brilliant for opening boxes. I'm going to keep it up here from now on. Right, you ready? So this is what we've got. Oh, what's in here? I love getting these. That's exciting. Right, okay. To Lauren, beauty in a box. It's time to relax. We all need a little self-care. We're sure you're going to love it. What is a beauty in a box? Since the government implemented the closing of beauty salons in March and having a bit of a meltdown due to panic and stress, I have decided to put together a beauty in a box range of products that I recommend or use in my salon. I think it's Ayana Beauty in Wallsend. So when thinking of promoting the range, I thought of you. I have watched your videos since the beginning and love the honest and genuine videos you produce. Aww. It was a great seeing another Shields lass doing amazing things in the big world of makeup. You know the saying, shy bairns getting out. Well, if I could ask if you like what I have sent, please give it a little promotion. And once this lockdown is lifted, you will be more than welcome to come and have a beauty treatment on the house as a token of thank you. Oh, well, I definitely will be coming because I need a lot doing. Yeah, I've kind of dropped a bit since lockdown. That is lovely. I'll put links up for our beauty salon in the video description for you. So what have we got in here? Let's have a look. We've got a face salon range. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. What's this? I'm not good at opening these boxes. Hang on. I want it to fall out. How do we get into it? It's very clever. What? Oh dear me. There we go. I'll learn one of these days. Oh wow. Okay. What we got in here? About the products. Facial cleanser. We've got a skin moisturiser. So we've got a cleansing gel, a cleansing cloth, a bespoke face mask, an active liquid, collagen eye mask, 2 sponges and a moisturiser and a Rejuve moisturiser. Oh right, okay. So we've got, oh wow, this is pretty. So that is your rose water. This is your orange flower water. Never tried stuff like this before. It's exciting this. Rejuve B skin moisturiser. I love the little the pots. These are cute as. And a Rejuve facial cleanser. I'll give that a go. Let's have a smell. Oh, that smells of clean. You know, like clean product. Now let's have a smell of the rose water. Oh, that's lovely. I actually want to drink that. That's not good though, is it? That smells like lychee. Might have to drink that. I'm joking, I won't. And this one is the orange flower water. Oh, that's lovely, that. Nice and mild, but it's just enough. So we've got calamine powder mixed with rose water for sensitive skin. Ooh, okay. On a night time, if Martin's watching his fishing programmes, I just potter around and I'll go and pamper myself with all the masks I've been sent and stuff, so I'll play about. Kaolin and fine oatmeal mixed with orange flower water for oily combination, rose water for normal dry. Then, oh bless. So we've got a little box here we've been sent. So we've got a little sponge, a couple of sponges, oh, a Bare Betty flannel face cloth, and I love the feel of that. I'm not pulling it out though, I'll have that all over my bedroom floor. Put that there. And then this is the eye mask. Oh, reduces eye puffiness. So this is Crystal Collagen Gold hyaluronic eye masks. I'll put that one on one side. Don't want any of it to fall on the floor. Then this is for the bath. Now I know how to open the box, we'll get in quicker. I'll just put that there because it'll be on here. Ooh. Oh, I've never seen one of these in years. Get in. I love messing about with stuff like that. I haven't got a bath sponge. Another eye mask. Same again, hyaluronic acid. It's hyaluronic eye masks. Got a couple of them. Ooh, look at this. I'm probably going to get to pamper myself now. Look. I've never used one of them since I was at my grandma's. She used to have all of this kind of stuff in our bathroom. And I've never had them since. Ooh, what's this? So cream bath. I'm really going to have fun now. Oh, it smells of almond. It smells like a Battenberg, a mini Battenberg. Almond fingers. I've got it up my nose. Oh, God, that smells good. I love the smell of that. I bet the body lotion smell. If it does, I'm having this all over us now. What does this smell like? It smells almondy. It's not as almondy as the bath. But it's nice. That's going to get used all over. That is lovely. When I come out my bath, I'm going to smell like almonds and rose water and stuff. You are flamazing. Hair sheet mask with Marula Oil. Never heard of that before. Shampoo your hair as normal and towel dry. Take out the mask and use scissors to cut along the straight edge. Put it on as you would a hat. Oh. And gently massage it into your hair and scalp until the product can be fully absorbed. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Thank you so much. Mandy, this is lovely. Really, really appreciate what you've done here. They're brilliant and I love the idea of it. Sending out these little beauty boxes for people for self-care. You know, when you, because it's a bit weird at the minute. We're not allowed to go to salons or get ourselves pampered or else we're having to do it in the house. So this is ideal. Can't thank you enough for them. And I just, yeah, really thank you. Thank you very much, Mandy. I'll put all your details in the description box as well. So if you want to have a look where all this is from and you want to check Mandy's beauty bar out, or beauty salon, sorry, I'll put the link down and you can have a little look. Which is in Wallsend. I've put them to one side. And then this one is from Good Molecules. Now, I do use their products. They've sent us stuff before. Lovely, really, really nice. The primer is really good. And I've used it instead of my Smashbox one before putting my makeup on. It does say if you're using an SPF, I think it is that one, you let your primer dissolve completely into your skin. Yeah, about 5 minutes beforehand. Right, okay, what we got here. So this is the second PR box of these, which is lovely that they've thought of us. Love the packaging, really cute. What is this? Right, okay, let's have a look. Handpicked in the Patagonia Austral of Chile. Ooh, let's have a look what it is in here. Your gain isn't their loss. What is this? So we've got a little bag. Ooh. Pure cold pressed rosehip seed oil. Ooh. Antioxidant. I love rosehip to eat, but again, you can't eat these products. Antioxidant rich facial oil that delivers natural vitamin A and helps restore skin elasticity. I could do with that, I've got to be honest. My skin is getting a little bit, and it's never tested on animals, which I love. Let's have a smell of this. So the directions: warm a few drops between the palms and gently press into damp skin. Best absorbed after water-based serums. Suitable for daily use AM PM. Oh, I love these little things. Hang on, get it out of the box. Come on. There we go. I love that packaging. I've got a couple of others that like up there. There's a niacinamide oil and a squalene oil. I'm getting through them, but I don't know how if I'm using it properly. I do follow the instructions. They're really nice, so they make your skin feel lovely and smell nice. Let's have a feel of this on the back. We're going to put it on the palms. It doesn't smell of anything, but it feels amazing. Oh wow, that is so oily. That is lush. No smell whatsoever. And I've put makeup on, I kind of put on my face, but that feels lush. It is so smooth, and you know, like oil leaves grease, there's no grease. This just feels smooth. Oh, I can't wait to put that on my face. Really, really nice. Thank you very much. And I think it was Selena I spoke to. She got me details for what skin type. And I told her I had rosacea, so they send things that you can use for rosacea. As far as I know, I'm sure I've said that, but that was really lovely. Thank you very much. I bet that was Selena who sent that from the Good Molecules. I'll put the details again in the side for you. Do really think the products are good. There's been some things I've been sent for free and I haven't liked. The worst thing was the lashes. I got sent a pair of magnetic lashes. I felt horrible. I put them on. I put the liner on, put the lashes on, and I didn't get it. I wasn't keen. And the actual magnetic liner, it just went. It was lumpy, and I felt horrible. But I just thought, I don't like it. And I got sent that, and I felt really bad. But I won't say I like it if I don't. So I hope no one gets offended. This is from Beauty Boulevard. Now these. They sent me a message through James. James put them onto us and they come and checked us out, and that was lovely, and it's got sparkly bits all over. Right, let's have a look at this. So what we got? Molten Metal Mayhem. Oh, it's all over. It's glitter. Something glittery in here. Your images and feeds are stunning. Oh, thank you. Just want to send you over some of our fab on the Molten Metal glitter eyeshadows. These are perfect for a full-on cut crease or a simple shimmer look. Can't wait to see what magic you create with all these little gems. That is really lovely. And it says, be a true glam ambassador for Beauty Boulevard. Your shades are YS, Mina and Arabelle. Is it Izamina? Izamina and Arabelle. Well, we'll see what we can come up with these. So the cards here show all the different things they've got. They've got loads of Molten Metal glitter eyeshadows. These smell. Whoever packed this, it's like they put perfume into it. It smells lush. It smells proper nice in here. You know when you can smell someone who's packed your stuff? You'll know what I mean. Oh, glitter lips. They look nice. So there's a couple of different things here. I'll have a look. Then you've got a Stardust. Again, I'm going to put the details to their website in the description box. You can go and have a look for yourself. Warning, seriously fabulous stuff. Right, let's have a look at this. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy doing them. I love seeing what's in these packets. It's exciting, isn't it? It's like having Christmas every day. Oh, it's full of glitter. The glitter is going to go everywhere. Oh no. Oh no, it's because it's spilled. Has it spilled? Or is that meant to be there? Hang on, I'll have to wait, bear with us. There is glitter everywhere. That's going to have to be hoovered up right away. Oh no, I think it's been done on purpose. It's like a glitter shower of pink glitter. Ugh, it's everywhere. Right. We have molten metal glitter eyeshadow, and this one is, what colour? Arabella. Look at that. Silver. It's gorgeous. I'm going to do a swatch quickly for you. And this one's Izamina. I think it's Izamina. It's gold. Let's have a look. Let's see what this looks like. Right. Put them down there. There's glitter everywhere. There we go. I wonder if it's smelly glitter, because it's perfumed really strong. It's nice, it smells nice. There you go. So that is Arabella. That is lush. That's going to go lush on top of a cut crease, though, right? Stick that on a cut crease or just on its own for a bit of nighttime glam. Beautiful. So that's the silvery one. Then there's a gold one here as well. Oh, there we go, put the gold one next to it. Oh, I like that. There's a gold one next to it. I put it on top of that. Look at that. They're gorgeous. They're going to be amazing on the top of eyeshadow. Like it says, cut crease or just as a wash of colour. We'll get using these. I'll put them in the lucky dip drawer. Thank you very much. They smell amazing. I've got glitter everywhere. I'm going to have to be careful with it. Put it back into there carefully. My table is covered. I've had so much fun on unboxing all this. I hope you have enjoyed as well. I'm going to go now because we're going to do a long walk to Asda. I'm sticking to the chair, I'm wearing my shorts. So we're going to be doing a long walk to Asda and back, and it's looking a bit overcast, typical. Never mind. I hope you have enjoyed. Stay tuned because there's loads more. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.